I also got an iPhone 12 Pro on my birthday, and guess what? That's what I'm using to shoot this content right now. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time here and I'm really happy to be back to this place. I'm really happy. So I've been talking about consistency on my channel, but I disappeared for over 6 months. But guys, I have a good news for you all. I'm back. I'm fully back on this channel. So when I started my YouTube journey last year October, I started with an Android phone. I started with no lights. I started with no microphone. But today I'm here to share with you all a good news. I cannot just, I don't know, I wanted to unbox this thing the day I bought it, right? But then I remember the purpose of me buying this thing is for my YouTube channel, and if I don't share it with you guys, who will I share it with? So guys, guess what? Ta-da! Let me just bring out what is here. I know some of you might try to guess, but no need for that because it's here. My microphone is here, guys. I'm so happy. Oh, you guys will not believe the way I shouted when I received this. This is my wireless microphone and I ordered it from Z Plus Importation. And guys, guess what? With Z Plus Importation, do you know what they call swift delivery? If you know what that word swift delivery is, then okay, should I put it this way? If swift delivery was a person, then I will name it Z Plus Importation, because this microphone, I think I ordered it ending of July. I think first week of August or ending of July, and I got this microphone yesterday, guys. So if you know you want to learn China importation, or you're looking for a procurement agent and for anything about China importation, Z Plus Importation got you covered, because with Z Plus Importation your goods are really safe. Your goods are safe, secured, and whatever you want to call it. So guys, back to the business. This is my wireless microphone. It came with two mic actually, as you can see. Came with two microphone wireless. So I would love to do a test run, but then have not charged it yet. I've not charged it, and my phone, I'm using my phone to make this video and there is no way for me to connect it. Okay, I'll try it. So guys, this is the microphone. I'm doing a test run on this microphone, and the next here we have the charger. It comes with a cord to enable you to charge the microphone. It uses light and not battery. You really need to charge this microphone for it to function. Remember, it doesn't use battery. I already unboxed my microphone for you guys to see. So from now henceforth, I'll be making use of my brand new microphone from Z Plus Importation, and I'll leave the number on your screen so you can chat her up. She's always online to reply and respond to your messages. Trust me, you won't regret working with her. Now, I also want to show you guys something else. The day I received this thing I'm about to show you guys, you won't believe. I did not cry. No, don't get me wrong, I did not. But guys, I was so happy. I was super happy. I never expected this. Guess what it is? An iPhone 12 Pro Max. That's the phone I'm using for this video right now. If you check the quality of this video and my previous videos, you observe that it has a higher quality than the previous videos. So I'm using my new iPhone 12 Pro to shoot this content, and special thanks to my best friend for getting me this phone. I'm super grateful to him. Now guys, let me calm myself down. I've done the unboxing video. I've showed you guys my brand new phone, and there's something I would like to say. I'll be relocating very soon to a new city. So permit me to say, this is like my last days in Port Harcourt city. This is like my last days in my father's house. You know that saying, go hard or go home? I'm about to go hard. I don't think I'll be coming home, but I'm about to go hard or go home. So I'll be relocating to Lagos State to start over. Is that the right word to use? Start over? What am I starting over? Let me rephrase. So guys, I'll be relocating to Lagos to start up. I don't want to say start over. So guys, I'll be relocating to Lagos for work. Yes, I think that's the right word, for work. And a few days from now, I'll be relocating to Lagos, and I promise to take you guys along with me on this journey till I get to my destination. I promise to do a vlog on that. So until then, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to leave a comment on this video for me. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for not giving up on me, and thank you for always watching my videos. Without you guys, I'm nothing. Without you guys, there will be no content.